Where can I buy a hotel mattress? Have you ever woken up in a hotel feeling more refreshed and comfortable than you do in your own bed? If so, you're probably wondering where you can get your hands on one of those fantastic hotel mattresses. Let's explore some options together. If you're looking to bring that hotel quality sleep home, there are several places you can check out. One great option is US Mattress. They offer a wide range of Serta Perfect Sleeper hotel mattresses, which are the same ones used in major hotels. These mattresses come in various comfort levels, from firm to plush, and different thicknesses, such as 11 inches or 14.25 inches. For example, you can find the Serta Perfect Sleeper Hotel Presidential Suite Firm or Plush mattress, which starts at around $1,222. Another place to consider is the Beautyrest Guest Purchase Program. Here, you can find mattresses specifically designed for hotels, like the Beautyrest Black Napa Luxury Firm or the Beautyrest 360-degree St. Pierre Euro Pillow Top. These mattresses are engineered for optimum durability and maximum comfort, and they start at prices like $1,149 for the Black Napa Luxury Firm. If you've stayed at a Marriott and loved the bed, you might want to check out the Fairfield by Marriott shop. They offer mattresses crafted for optimal comfort, including innerspring models. These mattresses are designed to replicate the sleep experience you had at their hotels, ensuring you get the best possible rest at home. For those who have experienced the luxury of W Hotels, you can purchase their mattresses directly from W Hotels, the store. Their plush top mattress provides a firm level of support with a soft touch, and you can pair it with a feather bed to enhance your sleep experience even further. To make your purchase easier, many of these retailers offer customer support. For instance, US Mattress has factory-trained mattress experts you can call or chat with to help you identify the perfect mattress. They also provide a pleasant shopping experience without any pressure to make a purchase. In summary, whether you're looking for a Serta, Beautyrest, Fairfield by Marriott, or W Hotels mattress, there are several retailers where you can find these high-quality hotel mattresses. By choosing the right one, you can bring that hotel-quality sleep into your own home.